Today we're going to be taking a look at the Decent protocol by making an NFT. First thing I'm going to do is just check out the Decent post, and we're just going to go to the new DecentXYZ. And I'm just going to go straight to launch the Creator HQ. And from here, I should be able to mint an NFT. I want to mint an edition, which is an ERC721. This is going to be Decent launch tweet. Symbol will be sweets because I like tokens with my name in it. What we're going to do is just take a screenshot of one of my retweets of the Bring Your Own Music NFTs. And then I think I'm going to change the name to Bring Your Own Music NFT is what we're going to name it. And I actually want to throw a rainbow emoji in there just because emojis are cute. Now we're going to find the image. For audio, I believe I found some CC0 art from Lil Nas X. This is a tweet from Decent Protocol launch. Token price, we're gonna make this super inexpensive. Like, who even cares? Let's actually add another 0 in there because I just want people minting. We're gonna make this super big editions. There's not gonna be a cap, so I'm just gonna make that a big number. My royalty percentage, we're gonna make it 10. If people are trying to flip, let's get me my money. Deploying on Optimism mainnet. Let's see if I have enough gas. So Optimism is gonna store all the metadata on chain. You get on-chain full music metadata when you leverage Decent on any L2. So we just stored all the metadata on-chain, and now we are gonna actually write that transaction. Cost me 11 cents to mint this ERC721 contract, and boom, I've got a mint page all ready to go. Looks like, I think we just deployed a fix for this image, or this image might be that the IPFS hash is too fresh. Either way, let's go over to the mint page and see if it works over here. I think it might be a second too early, and it's still loading the audio and the image on IPFS. All of your metadata is stored on. So actually, let's go ahead and let's modify some metadata while we're waiting. Or no, we won't. We'll just flip the sales status. So with Decent, you got to flip the sales status from off to on. So we'll flip the sales status. That cost me 3 cents. Total cost so far for this NFT is me as a musician, 14 cents. We've now got the image loaded. We've got my audio. And so now I can mint it. I'm gonna mint. It's gonna charge me a little bit of ETH, but I can buy it. It's 3 cents. Transactions on Optimism are super fast, and now I've got an NFT. And now what I can do is I can take this and I can go over to Quixotic, which is the marketplace for Optimism NFTs, and I can just find a random collection to try to get the chain structure format, the URL structure, pick a token, and so now we should have a domain path. We do. So now I can just swap in my contract address. Decent NFTs start at token ID 0, so the first one that I minted should be token 0. Here is my music NFT with 100% on-chain metadata, visible here in Quixotic, the Optimism equivalent of OpenSea. So I'll share this out. This has been less than 5 minutes for me to just go through Decent and then mint an NFT on Optimism with 100% on-chain metadata. If you've got any questions, reach out to the Decent team on Twitter or find us on Discord. If you want to reach out to me directly, I'm sweetman.eth. Thanks for tuning in. This is Sweets, signing off.